Welcome to our automated workshop, which serves as the core link in the entire production process, undertaking the precision processing of key components such as cylinder head gaskets. As a crucial part of engine accessory production, this workshop is equipped with advanced, fully automated production lines and high-precision processing equipment, aiming to ensure the stability of product quality and improve production efficiency to the greatest extent. Next, we will proceed to the production workshop. Here, we will strictly adhere to the original factory process to flatten and shape the cylinder head gasket. Simultaneously, we will also perform embossing and riveting operations on each layer of the cylinder head gasket to ensure it meets the standard requirements. As a professional manufacturer specializing in engine components, we always uphold the principle of quality first, crafting each product with dedication and creating greater value for our global partners.